Here we have a 2012 registered 5-door Ford Focus C-Tech with a 1.6-litre manual transmission petrol engine. The car is finished in moondust silver. Key features include 1 private owner, air conditioning, 16-inch alloys, CD player, DAB digital radio, electric windows and mirrors, Bluetooth phone connectivity, rear park assist, heated front windscreen, leather steering wheel, USB connectivity, ABS and tinted windows. This Ford Focus has been through our full and extensive service and preparation process to ensure it's in perfect condition. Reserve this car online today for 48 hours for an no obligation, fully refundable £100.